Welcome to my vlog. For today's video, nandito tayo sa birthday party ni Madam Helen Oka Borgreen. She celebrating 60th birthday. Kaya ito, si Inday Babes, samahan nyo ako at papanoorin natin yung kabuuhan ng kanyang party. Actually, hindi ko naman siya talaga mabubuo dahil ito ay umabot ng almost 1 hour yung aking video at mapagod na kayo ng kapapanood, no? So, isi-short na lang natin siya. Nandito rin yung kanyang mga kakolega, especially yung kanyang kwefen. Shout out everyone at sa lahat po ng mga family ni Ate Helen at sa kanyang mga friends, of course. Kasama na kami doon. So, ayan, shout out sa inyong lahat.
Okay, this song is called Ikaw Ang Aking Mahal.
You're My Love in English.
Itanong mo sa akin,
Okay lang, sir.
kung di magdalaga. Ikaw lang ang aking mahal, lang ang damdamin. Ikaw ang aking mahal. Pag-ibig na walang hangganan, ang aking tunay na nararamdaman. Ang nais ko sana'y inyong malaman, sa hilaga o sa timog o kanluran, at kahit saan pa man ang laging nisisigaw. Ikaw ang aking mahal. Woo! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Ate Helen! Ang nais ko sana'y inyong malaman, sa hilaga o sa timog o kanluran, at kahit saan pa man ang laging nisisigaw. Ikaw ang aking mahal. Angels. All right.
My last song is dedicated to the birthday celebrant and called Angels. I see the way there's an angel contemplate my place. And do they know the places where we go when we're gray and old? 'Cause I've been told that salvation lets their wing unfold. So when I'm lying in my bed, thoughts running through my head, and I feel the love is dead, I'm loving angels instead. And through it all, she offers me protection, a little love and affection, whether I'm right or wrong, and down the waterfall. She won't forsake me. angels instead. Woo! Happy birthday, Ellen! When I'm feeling weak and my pain walks down a one-way street. Woo! I look above and I know I'll always be blessed with love. And as the feeling grows, she brings flesh to my bones. And when love is dead, I'm loving angels instead. And through it all, she offers me protection, a little love and affection, whether I'm right or wrong, and down the waterfall, wherever it may take me. I know that life won't break me when I come to call. Forsake me. I'm loving angels instead. Woo! Thank you so much. And next number will be the dancers of Ellen. Woo, woo, woo.
Di cappuccino assassino. Bal, 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 cappuccino. Bal, 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 ballerina cappuccino.
that I can. Looking back and longing for the freedom of my dreams, and lying in your loving arms again. If I could hear me now, singing somewhere to the lonely night, dreaming of that, can you hold me tight? If you could only hear me now. I've been too long in the wait, too long in the rain, searching any comfort that I can. Looking back and longing for the freedom of my dreams, and lying in your loving arms again.
Kita na sa kong naban mo, tanaw ra pa na skris ah. Tanaw ra pa na skris imong vlog, nagpalo na. Maslog ka.
Tingnan nyo, ganito lang naman si Ate Lord na mag-inom ng wine. Oh, ay Diyos ko Lord, 7 buti. Ay,
Pero hindi pala sing, sabihin mo.
oo, hindi pala sing. Tingnan mo, nagatagay pa siya doon, no? Sundan natin to. Oh, tingnan mo, oh, namimigay pa ng husto, oh. Namimigay pa siya, oh. Hi! Oh, hi!
Ballerina Cappuccina, Mini, è la moglie di Cappuccino Assassino. Ballerina Cappuccina, ballerina.